hell, man? Look at that, look!
We use a different chemical process, but it is every bit as pure.
Maybe blue, but it's the bomb.
Ah, tight, yeah! Blue, yellow, pink. Whatever, man, just keep bringing me that. Now, what did I say, man? This guy can cook. You're all right, man. You're all right. We're gonna make a lot of money together.
Just remember who you're working for.
What did you say? Are you saying that they're stupid?
Tuco. Hey, why don't we all just relax?
Heisenberg says relax. I'm relaxed.